Hello everyone, welcome to New channel, and in this short video I will show you how to fix Android apps crashing issue in Samsung or Pixel or any Android mobile. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe, and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix this crashing issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue. Here just uninstall these Chrome updates, and hope so this will fix your issue. So that's all for this video. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.